This is always a popular year and model here at Unique Specialty and Classics. 1962 Chevrolet Impala, two-door hardtop. This is an original V8 car, although now it has a 307 in it. Actually a 1969 vintage 307. Power brakes. Also has automatic transmission as we take a look at the front bumper, grille, headlight surrounds. Original Roman red car. Paint code 923. Interior is red also, 874 trim code. Check out the still pictures. You'll be able to see that data tag, VIN tag, undersides, interior, engine bay, uniqueclassiccars.com. 507-386-1726. As you can see, wire wheel covers. Now, paint on this car, it does show its age in a few spots. There's kind of a little staining in a few areas. Still is presentable. Nice car for your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. 62s always seem like they're a popular model year. Fender skirts, as you can see on the rear. Interior cloth vinyl blend. Get around to the driver's side, start it up, let you hear it run. AM radio, looks like it's the original stock radio that is working in there also. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation. Dual antennas in the back, you gotta love that. Of course, the iconic Impala rear end. Dual exhaust. Appears that the rear bumper may have been re-chromed also. It looks like it's a pretty nice shape. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. Those still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're seeing this on YouTube, just click on the link down below in the description. That's going to take you right there as we look down the driver's side of this car. And let's take a little closer look at this interior. Here's it. It's free of rips, tears, holes. Very solid car too. Take a look at the undersides. Look in the trunk. There'll be underside pictures of the doors. Headliner looking good. And very stock looking dash. Let's go ahead and fire this up. That out. Cold light even still works, so engine temp. That was a cold start. 307 sounds good. Let me show you this radio. I'm going to click it on. It's going to take a little bit for it to warm up. AM radio is working. Top of the dash looks good. Give it just a second here. I did have it in a station that had reception, so it should come up here shortly. Oh, I don't know if we can hear that or not. Kind of came and went. I don't know if you can hear that. It's a little weak now. Damn, it's working. There you hear it. Slip around to the back. Like I said, good sounding car. And the slip up to the front. We'll check out this engine bay. I'm going to pause this a second so I can get the hood open. And remember too to stick around to the end of the video. We'll do a little driving video with this. You can kind of take a virtual ride if you will. So stick around to the end. Hang on, we'll get that hood open, check out the engine bay. There's the underside of the hood. See what that looks like. And there it is. 307 Chevy V8. Power brakes. Looks like a newer master cylinder. Here's the battery disconnect when it's in storage or in between drives. 1967 Chevrolet Impala two-door hardtop. Pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Phone number 507-386-1726. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1962 Chevrolet Impala. Bright red color inside and out, very nice. A little bit of striped cloth on the seat. This is an automatic on the column. Very easy to drive. Both our turn signal indicators are working. Very smooth running car. We do have warning lights for the temperature. The fuel gauge is showing just about empty with speedometer working well. Blower motor works on this car. Test that radio. I'll turn that on, let it warm up a little bit. Nice smooth ride in this Impala. Nice looking carpet. I'm not getting any pull to either side. If I let go of the wheel, this car stays pretty straight in the lane. There's that radio.
Challenge President Biden for the 2024 nomination.
Stock looking radio working well. Brakes are working well. Nice rumble to this Impala's exhaust. Corners as you would expect for a 62 Impala. Suspension absorbs any bumps in the road very nicely. Get a little bit of play in the steering wheel, about as much as you'd expect for this vintage of car. Again, very smooth ride. Great road tripping car. Take a look at all the pictures and see the underside, the under the hood. Read about the details of this car at uniqueclassiccars.com.